Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you have opened your App Store on your iPhone and facing this type of issue that your Apple ID has been disabled in App Store. So guys, how can you get back? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi, and after this you have to click on your Apple ID name, click on sign in and security. And guys, after this, first of all you have to make sure that you have verified your email address and phone number. After verified, you have to turn on your two-factor authentication and turn on your automatic verification. And guys, after this you have to go back, scroll it below, click on subscriptions. So guys, if you have any active subscription here, you need to remove all the subscriptions, and if you have added any payment method, you need to delete your old payment method. And after this you have to click on media and purchases and click on view account. After this you have to wait for a few seconds. Here, as you can see, page is on loading. You have to wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see here, simply, so guys, here you need to enter your Apple ID password and click on sign in. And after this you have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, new page will be open. So guys, simply you have to wait. So guys, you will find this type of interface here. Simply you have to click on country and region, and after this you need to wait. New page will be open for you. As you can see here, here is the option of change country or region. Simply you have to click on this tab. From here you need to select your country, your own country in which you have lives now. So guys, for example, I am going to select Pakistan, and after this you need to wait. Here is the option of agree. Simply you have to click on this tab. And guys, here you need to add your new payment method. Enter your number, expiry date and CVV. Must write your billing name. And guys, must you have to add your billing address, street address and city and postal code and phone number. These are the must add requirements here. And guys, after this simply you have to save all the informations. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.